What's going on, B Nation? Hope you guys are doing well. So I have some time today, so I'm going to be rolling out with a bunch of different videos. Today I want to talk about pasteurized grape juice, and what am I doing here? This is cooked grape juice, and you guys know I'm all about raw, living food, fresh, as much as possible, right off the vine, right off the plant, and it's really, really good for the body. So I went shopping the other day and just was not happy with the grapes, and I'm just craving grapes so much. But it's just not the right quality right now, and just not the right season for the grapes. And I can't find any organic too. So I thought I would try this organic 100% grape juice, not from concentrate. So this is organic Concord grape juice, 100%. So you guys, I decided to try it because I'm all about experimenting. And when your body becomes, when you start cleaning out your bodies and you start opening up the pathways of elimination, like your skin, your bowels, your kidneys, your lungs, we start opening up these pathways, we start cleansing the body, we can really feel certain foods and how they feel on our body, how they feel on our digestive tract. And with the fruits, I don't even feel it going through me, which I know is, perfect for the human body when you can't even feel the food going through you. I remember a long time ago, I had pizza, and I didn't have pizza for a long time, and it wasn't gluten free, so it was just white flour, and that whole night I was out and I couldn't move because my intestines felt like they were just ripping apart. And that's what happens when you start cleaning out your body. If you start introducing these foods again, you can feel it. You can feel the blowback, and it's just cause and effect, physics. So what we consume is going to have an effect. And so I thought I would try this out just for an experiment. And let me tell you guys, it actually works. So I'm trying to understand why this cooked grape juice works, and I'm finding it is actually working better than some of the non-organic grapes, whole grapes I was eating. So this is just me sharing. Of course, you guys know that I am 100% for raw living food, as much as you can get in the day, whether that's 50% raw, 80%, 90, 100. I mean, that's freaking amazing if you can do that. But I'm really wanting the grape juice, and I'm noticing it's really getting the elimination going. It's really cleansing out my bowels. And so I thought I would share that with you guys. And I'm trying to understand what it is, because first of all, it's organic, which may make it a bit better. And there's no sugar added. This is 100% grape juice. And I'm trying to think if the cooking, even though it's organic, the cooking, what I've been reading is it may open up its structure, which makes it more powerful. Now that's up for debate, of course. You guys let me know down below what your experience is, but yeah, this is actually working pretty darn good. And you just do the best you can in your environment with what you have. So if this is all you have for cleansing, that's what I'm doing. So thought I would share that today. If you guys have any experience, let me know down below. I'm open to hear your suggestions, open to hear your thoughts, and yeah, just thought I would put that out there because I find that interesting. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos, lots more to come. And as always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some nature today. Cheers.